Hello friend, this is JBL Essential 2. Oh sorry, this is JBL Flip Essential 2. So let's see what is under it. Open. You're watching that. Here is some documentation and a charger, Type C charger. This is too long, you can see it, very long. And the amazing speaker is come out with a beautiful cover it with white cover. You can see the speaker, that's logo. Here's the main instruction. Here is the all instruction how to use this speaker. Okay, here how to connect with Bluetooth, and this is all the switch how to use and change, single press for pause and double press for change the song. And now you can see the indicator light, how you can know the charge of the speaker if there is too light. Here there is already charged 50% because it has 3 lights. If it is full all the 5 lights, it will be the 100% charge. Okay, next what to see, this waterproof IPX7 and all the specification here. That is time to check the sound quality of the speaker. Let's go. Okay, at first I'm turn on the Bluetooth and then go to Bluetooth, and it's already IPX. Okay, let's see the sound quality. Just do it.
You can fly, but you'll never get closer to. So you may rise, but you'll never make me wanna stick around you.
Its sound quality is the great, that is best from other Bluetooth devices. That is really amazing, and its especially bass is very clear, and it creates a vibration in my room. And I surprised that it has a very deep bass. You can use it for watching movies, and it's give you the very best sound that. Okay, that was my review, small review of the JBL speaker. If you like the videos, please subscribe me.